Welcome back to Tech Made Simple. If you use Google Chrome every day but only know how to type in websites, this video will change that. Today, I will show you powerful Chrome tips and shortcuts that will make browsing faster, easier, and way more fun. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1. To open new tab in a flash, just press Ctrl T on Windows or Command T on Mac. Then a new tab will open. If you need to reopen a tab you just closed, you don't have problem with that. It will come back right in. If I close it, whether maybe I don't need it anymore, and now later remember that I need an information from that tab. Instead of me starting all over, what I need to do is I'll just press this shortcut Ctrl Shift T. So that same tab you just closed will come right back. Here you can see the benefit of the food that I've already closed is now back up and running. That's how to bring back the tab you closed. If you need to search for an information online and you are using Google Chrome as your browser, so you don't need to go to google.com to search. Just type whatever you are looking for directly in the address bar. There's a benefit of fruit. So you press enter. You can see that your result is out there. So you don't need to go to www.google.com before you now type in what you are trying to search. Just type it directly in the address bar and you get the result you want. If there are certain number of fruits that you don't want, now let's say you don't want apple or you don't want pineapple to be included in the result, then what you do is you use a minus sign to remove what you don't want. I've made a video on that aspect. Better still, I will include the video in the comment section or the description section of this video. If you are tired of losing your favorite sites, press Ctrl D to bookmark the page you don't want to lose. Or better still, and click this star. When you click star icon, it will ask you to choose mobile bookmark. Then you now choose select from this mobile folder, or you can choose another folder to keep your bookmark. So assuming, let me choose a bookmark bar. So I've bookmarked the site. If you check your list of bookmark, you'll see it there. Here is a hidden gem. Chrome profiles is the hidden gem. How do you do that? So you need to create different profiles for work, for school, or even personal use. Each one save your own bookmarks, the extensions, and also the history. No more mixing up the account. Mark you save for your own personal use or the one for the work. When you arrange them well in each of these profile, it will give you more efficient. Yes, to create the profile, you click on the this three bar, you come to where you see sign in, where your name is, and you come down straight down here and click on add new profile. When you click on add new profile, then you log in with your details to add another profile to you can name the profile whatever you want. And let's speed things up with shortcuts. There are some keyboard shortcuts that you would love to know. One of them is if you press Ctrl L, and this will make you to jump to the address bar instantly. Press Ctrl L, you will see that yes, we have jumped to the address bar and you can type whatever you want to type. This will save your time also. Then another shortcut is you press Ctrl Shift N. This will open an incognito mode, then where you can work privately. Here you can do some private search that will not be visible to anyone else. One other shortcut is if you press Ctrl and Tab together, switch between tabs. Now if you press Ctrl and you are pressing Tab, you will see that you are moving from one tab to another tab. That's instead of you moving cursor around, just press Ctrl Tab. You want to move from one tab to another. Those are the ways in which you can use some shortcuts to make the work faster. These are small tricks. Also, if you feel like your Chrome is slowing down, maybe it's not fast enough, when you click it's taking long before it responds, you can try this. You click Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open clear browsing data menu. You press Ctrl+Shift+Delete on delete data. When you do that, it will make your browser to be moving fast, and whenever you want to browse anything, you click on it, it will respond as fast as possible. You want to even do more, add some helpful extensions like Grammarly. This will be able to check your spelling for you. Whenever you make a mistake, it will correct your spelling and you also your grammar. You can also add Adblock extension. You can add it. And also another helpful extension is Google Translate. Google Translate is for quick translations. These tools make Chrome a more productivity powerhouse. So now you know how to use Google Chrome like a pro. Which tip do you find most helpful? Comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tech Made Simple for more easy digital tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.